Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to toggle pet cat on or off in Iron Nest. Let's begin by opening Settings menu. Do so by pressing the clipboard right here to bring you directly into the Settings menu, or if you are mid-game you can simply press the Escape key or the menu key and then go to Settings. From here select Game. Look for Pet Cat. Here you can turn off the pet cat. You can turn on the pet cat. Once you make your choice, press Apply. Then you can close the menu. And that's about it. Thank you for watching and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.